Well, alright guys. Did you see the sign? You're probably asking me, what sign? What sign did I see? Anyway, look, there's Yoda. There's Yoda on my super amazing drift track. And today we have all the cool things that we need. We even got the cones. I've rebuilt the awesome, whatchamacallit, drifting track. And now it's smoother. Maybe it'll work a little bit better than it did last time. Last time was horrible. There were problems. There were serious problems with the track, and it would not drift. It refused to drift. But maybe we can fix that today. Unfortunately, my skills are not any better today than they were yesterday. I am attempting to learn how to do this a little better, a little smoother. But it's hard. And I think that I need to go in and practice not in the car when I'm doing this stuff, and actually go ahead and fix the throttle and fix the gyro on the car in order to get the best results out of the track. But the track is smoother, and if I didn't suck so bad, it would be workable. It would definitely be workable. We have Yoda, and that's cool. I could also set up something so that it would be really easy to film, like a phone holder for the iPhone, something like that. But hey, overall, I gotta say that it is now a product. It is a fully fledged maquette or a mock version of the real thing. And if I didn't suck so bad at driving, and knocked over the nice owls, right? Because I get asked this question all the time. You talk about 3D printing and how 3D printing is so cool, but you've never 3D printed anything. Well, what's that Yoda doing over there? What about this? Punch buggy no backs. The Carmageddon buggy of doom that I created with the half moon concept that I created. Oh, you can't build that unless you're in China. China has built it, and they are selling cars like that, but we can't have those. Why? Because it would destroy the economy, or it's a matter of national security. What else are we gonna hear, right? What other excuses are they gonna come up to destroy all our chances of being part of the economy and being part of the thing that we came all the way to America to do, right? Don't blame the foreigners like me who are now legal American citizens after going through the grueling process of jumping through every single hoop, the legal ones. I'm a legal immigrant or migrant or whatever you want to call it, that came all the way. And when I came to this America because I was a capitalist and wanted to enjoy the benefits of capitalism, just like my father did when he had the company car, he had the most amazing things that you can get, like help with buying a house, all that good stuff. A green card just given to him on a platinum platter. When I got here, I was given the boot. I was like, show me the money! Show me the money! And I discovered that whatever was left of capitalism was laying on a hospital bed coding. And even though I tried so hard with my defibrillator, I cranked it up to the maximum, went, live capitalism, live! I discovered that it was already too late. And the capitalism had been dead for a while. It's just that we have this problem here in America. It's called denial. We live in denial that capitalism is still here. People say late stage capitalism. Capitalism has been dead for a while. Capitalism has been dead for a while, but you refuse to admit it to yourselves. It's dead. It's defunct. And when I ask people, why don't we just get UBI? They're like, no.